sustainable infrastructure, nuclear, seawater, and concrete. Slide 1. The challenge. Growing energy demands, data centers, filled circle need for carbon-free, reliable power. Filled circle water scarcity and infrastructure challenges. Filled circle the search for sustainable, resilient solutions. Slide 2. The solution. Integrated system. Filled circle small modular reactors, SMRs, safe, reliable, carbon-free energy. Filled circle seawater utilization, cooling, desalination, concrete production. Filled circle advanced concrete, seawater-based, fiber-reinforced for durability. Filled circle greenhouses, utilizing waste heat for year-round crop production. Slide 3. Key synergies. Filled circle SMR waste heat powers desalination and greenhouse heating. Filled circle seawater provides cooling and strengthens concrete. Filled circle desalinated water supports agriculture and industry. Filled circle modern fibers replace steel rebar in concrete structures. Slide 4. Benefits. Filled circle reduced carbon footprint. Filled circle increased resource efficiency. Filled circle enhanced infrastructure resilience. Filled circle improved food security. Filled circle cost-effective, sustainable solutions. Filled circle wintertime concrete production. Slide 5. Implementation. Filled circle coastal locations ideal for access to seawater. Filled circle advanced water treatment and heat exchange technologies. Filled circle careful environmental impact assessments. Filled circle government and industry collaboration. Slide 6. Conclusion. An integrated system utilizing SMRs, seawater, and advanced concrete offers a pathway to a sustainable and resilient future. Filled circle. This innovative approach addresses critical challenges in energy, water, and infrastructure. Filled circle. This system is ideal for high concrete usage areas, such as California.